guys, good morning. I'm watching my feeder. I just saw a cardinal come over, a red one. Max is ready to go, but I'm not going anywhere until I get my morning bird watching in, because this is my me time. See, when the dogs are out here, they don't come like they normally do. They scared. Max, I love y'all, but y'all scaring my birds away. Oh, here's somebody. Who's that? Who's that? Where are my little birdies? I think that's a loggerhead finch. I get a lot of those. And doves, cardinals, blue jays. I haven't seen any of the really exotic looking birds. Like, wait a minute, where's that? There she goes. Yeah, that was a dove. I get a lot of those. Not that I say, oh, they're just doves. They're all beautiful. But the doves aren't as shy as the other birds. The doves and the loggerhead finches, they're not shy. Oh, there's one. Ah, there's one. Hold on. Now, who's this? My dogs are scaring my damn birds away. Y'all are scaring away my birds. Damn dogs. I love them. Those are my babies. Max is the big one and Coco is the little one. Well, she's not little, but Max is huge. I just got Max back after having thought he was dead for 2 years. Just like Lazarus or Pet Cemetery. It's just a miracle. He ended up back at home with me last Friday. So I got a call from the vet last Friday that changed my life because I got my Max back. Oh yeah. Y'all are scaring my birds away. I'm doing entirely too much this morning. I'm so glad they love each other, though. I mean, could you imagine if they didn't get along? That just warms my heart. Because Coco's always been like that. That's been her personality since day one. She's feisty. She don't want to fight, but she wants to dominate. Max. No, Max. I guess since y'all gonna scare my birds away, y'all gonna be the entertainment this morning. Let's see who's that. Who's that? See, they getting on my nerves. Yeah. Stop, Max. Y'all are scaring my birds. But I don't let them play like that inside no more because they get too rough. You knock the shit over. These damn dogs are scaring my birds away this morning. So I guess I'm gonna watch them. Max, no. Get off of her. Don't do that. You quit that. She act like she... I can't believe it's Coco. Coco been like that since she was 6 weeks old. I couldn't even take her to the puppy and the little dog park because she just was too rambunctious. And she was always trying to fight the big dogs. Not fight them, but run them, you know. And she didn't understand that, oh, y'all, you're scaring my birds. She didn't understand because she had never been in a fight or anything. But now, shit, she made her match with Max because Max, I think Max is like at least 7 years old now. Yeah, he's 6 or 7 now. Because when I first took him to the vet, he was, they said he was like 4 years old. But baby Max has had some adventures. That boy has had him some life adventures. If I could just get inside his head for 5 minutes and see where he's been, because that boy there has been all over the place. Max is a wanderer. What is that? Yeah, he's a wanderer, honey. I guess they're gonna eat now. I guess they don't really show up the way they do when the dogs are out here. But you know, 6 in one hand, half a dozen in the other. I'm so glad these two like each other. Well, Max is easy. He gets along with all dogs. He gets along with everybody. They scaring my birds away this morning, so I can't film my birds because the dogs won't get away from the bird feeder. Max, come here. Would y'all please get away from my bird feeder? Please. Come here, Coco. Coco, come here. She is such a hard-headed little heifer. Look at her. Come here, Coco. I was like, she's so jealous of Max, she'll come. Oh, Maxie, Waxy. Max, my baby. Oh. Nah. I think if I want to see some birds, some real bird activity at my feeder this morning, I'm going to have to take the puppies inside. My little doggies. Hey, good looking. Hey, Max. Max. Hey, you. Hey, good looking. What you got cooking? Hmm? Oh, I thought I heard a blue jay. I think I heard a blue jay. Y'all hear that noise? Now, I think that's a blue jay coming over here. My dogs are scaring away my birds. So, but I hear a blue jay over off here to my left. I think that's a loggerhead finch. And there's another one. Ooh. Max, no sir. You're not doing that. No sir. No, we're not doing that. Mm-hmm. They like to watch the birds too. Oh, what a beautiful morning. Oh, what a beautiful day. I've got a beautiful feeling. Everything's going my way. Come here, Max. Oh. You just gonna strut your little way over here, huh? Here comes Coco. Doing the same thing. That is a blue jay. I can hear him. He always sounds like that. He comes in loud, like with that. That's him. I'm gonna see my blue jay in a minute, I think. Good morning, everybody. What, baby? What is it? You want to go to the dog park? Y'all know this is Mama's morning routine, so when I get done with this, we can go for a walk or go to the dog park, okay? Let me see. Who's at my feeder now? Who's at my bird feeder? Ooh, there's some big old doves flying around. Wait a minute. Excuse me. Good morning. I saw her. It's a big dove. There she is. There she is. Oh, that was the sound of an owl. There she is, right there. They just don't really interact that much when the dogs are out here. And they're here. Look at Miss Coco. She's just such an elegant looking little girl. You wouldn't think that she's a feisty bitch. But she is one feisty bitch. And I got her when she was 6 weeks old. And I got her like 2 weeks into the lockdown when the pandemic started. Once they told everybody to stay home, I'm like, oh shit. Let me get a dog. Because at that time, I thought Max was dead. Where is Max? Did Max go back in the house? Oh, he's feeling away, child. He's feeling some type of way. There she is. Look at. There's my cardinal. And that is a female because the males are bright red all over. Like, yeah, this is a female. The ones that are like just brilliant red all over, those are males. Wow, that was a little quick visit. Is she gonna eat? That was such a quick little visit. Okay, now the dogs are gone. Let me see if the birds come now. Because the dogs both went into. Look at her. There she is. Wait a minute. There she is. Oh, she's gone now. Come back, birdie. Oh, there's, I think that's a loggerhead finch. That one I just saw. What a beautiful, peaceful day. There's no sun out right now, but still wonderful. It's nice and cool out here. The mosquitoes are starting to get pretty bad though. So I'm going to have to go and get some deep woods off because I plan on doing many, many adventures with Max and Coco. And my family's complete now. I've got my dogs. I've got my birds. Only thing I need now is $1 million and a whole lot of ways to spend it. No, I'm really blessed. I guess my bird watching is going to just be a random video today because the birds are just not really coming the way they would normally. So I'm going to shut this down and take my dogs to the dog park. Y'all have a blessed day.